जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वक्त हम बायोलाइट के शोरूम में मौजूद हैं, जो कि बड़ी फ्यूचरिस्टिक तर्ज पे बनाया गया। एंड यू कैन सी जो इनके माइलस्टोन्स थे उनको इधर इन्होंने लिखा हुआ है, और ये आप देख सकते हैं। ये बड़े ज़बरदस्त तरीके से ऑटोमेटिक डोर ओपन हो गया, और जितनी भी इनकी चीज़ें थी बायोलाइट की वो इस पे मेंशन है। अभी वन बाय वन हम इनके मार्केटिंग मैनेजर के साथ आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन, और यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट लेंगे कि किस तरह बायोलाइट ने अपना सफ़र स्टार्ट किया, और वन बाय वन ये बताएंगे। Yes, Mr. Hope, this is, I guess, the first one.
Yeah, this is when our company is established in 1993, and in the next year we make this first
Patient monitor.
sleep colored patient monitor. You can see it's very like an old style computer, right?
Yeah, but, monitor.
But in that time, it's very famous and advanced.
Temperature.
Yeah,
right.
It's very famous.
So in 2008.
And in this time, 2008, our company was awarded as the high-tech industry company. And this year we make our first modular patient monitor. You can see. So we have nearly 30 years of the modular experience of producting. So in 2011. This year, our company is listed on the Shenzhen stock market. Shenzhen stock market, and this is the sent by the Shenzhen stock market.
They gifted to your company.
They give to our company.
That's nice.
Actually, last year, this studio is still in our office, our boss office, and we make this new showroom, and he's standing here. And this is the flatboard patient monitor, because in that year this kind of style is very famous, and we make this.
Just like new CTG machines, F90 and all. So here comes the patient monitor.
Yeah, this one is the SARS. You know the SARS.
Yeah.
SARS. Yeah, the SARS, and this is for the remote dialogue. Right. Remote dialogue. It has a small phone here. You can make a call and to the doctor, and then do the remote dialogue. Diagnose.
Right.
Sorry.
So next thing, here comes the NEU 88.
Yeah, this is our first full modular patient monitor, and this is the transfer monitor, like our P1.
P1.
Right. It's
this one older model.
Yeah, very old model. Yeah,
Massimo set.
Something like he's the P1's old grandfather.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. And you can see this one. This one is the first hemodialysis machines. Why we break it? Because when it go to the market, it's not good. I will show you the video here.
Okay, it's not good.
We have a video here.
ये आप देख सकते हैं कि वो ये कह रहा है कि जब इसको मार्केट में हमने भेजा तो ये अच्छी साबित नहीं हुई, जिस वजह से इन्होंने इसको ब्रेक करके रखा हुआ है।
我要把那个，我想放另外一个视频。哪一个？另外一个，它有2个视频。
对，但另外一个是
对，就要放那个，对。We have we can have a video here how we break it. You want to have a look?
You break it because
no, our boss break this one.
Why?
Because it's not good for
it's not good.
Not good, and
it's a big thing that you are accepting your mistake.
Yeah.
And your boss break this machine, and then
we build a new one.
Yeah,
you build a brand new one,
and this is the show that you are quality conscious.
Yeah, you see, you can see. You can see this is our old machine.
Okay.
It's not good. We send it to the hospital, and it's.
This is your boss?
No, this is not our boss. Our boss later they will come. This is some of the.
Yeah.
This is our boss.
Oh.
Oh no. Sorry. This is our boss.
Okay.
Yeah, this is our boss. He take the whole team to destroy these machines.
Okay.
And then we will make the new one in very short time.
Okay,
and
that's great. That's
and
great.
yeah, we keep because we are keeping to make good quality products to the yeah
Yeah, yeah.
yeah
That's a great thing
yeah
that a company accepted its mistake
yeah
and then go back and deliver a very good product to the market.
yeah yeah that's good.
Yeah, go
So
ahead.
yeah, go ahead. So we come to the second part. This is the second part. 我们看完这个再看视频吧。This is the second part. This is some of our awards. Because
Yeah,
our high quality controls, we get a lot of awards. Like this one, I want to show you some of this one. Like this one, that means in a single device like the patient monitor, we make the most amount of the patient monitor.
great.
Yeah, for
Most production.
the whole years. And this one we wore the national high-end patient monitor industry base.
Nice.
Yeah, and these are our patents. Actually, we have more than 600 patents now.
Patents.
Yeah, patents.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
patents.
great.
And every year we will have more than 50 patents more. And
Okay.
now you can stand here. We can have a video of this.
Best weaving
Yeah, best
area.
viewing area. Yeah, you can take a video of this.
Pumps.
Yeah, pumps. Actually, it's our ICU solutions.
Yeah. It's a hemodialysis machine
Yeah,
with
hemodialysis
patient
machines.
monitor, pumps,
Yeah, it's can work
and it's
together.
a modular.
This is a solution for ORs.
Was
Yeah, this like you see the P1 and the patient monitors, the main patient monitors.
nice.
Yeah, we show all the products here. This is the PD 600. I will show you later. This is the 3 bombs patient the hemodialysis.
Dialyzers.
Yeah, 3 bombs. We have the 1 bomb, 2 bomb, and 3 bombs.
Big universe.
Yeah.
Great, great.
So the third part. This is the third part.
This is the latest
Yeah, this is
range
our some of
we are
our
promoting here in
main
Pakistan.
products and our solutions. You can see we have the full full
P50.
modular
Yeah,
full modular patient monitors, our semi modular patient monitors, and for our general wards.
right.
And
F90, of
yeah,
course, the CTG
F19,
machine.
and for the wet
Right.
veterinary. And you can see this is our
P18,
yeah, this is our emergency transport solutions.
ECG machine,
Yeah, and then
pumps.
this is
This
the
is a
P1.
P1, yes.
Yeah, and then it's a
Modular.
docking station. This is the docking station. Sorry, this is the docking station. And this one is
It's a pump.
Yeah, this is a pump, and there is a pump.
It's a syringe
syringe
pump,
pump,
infusion pump,
infusion pump,
and this is a docking station.
yeah.
Oh, great.
You can
Nice.
also connect to the CMS.
Okay.
I will show you
okay.
later and the PowerPoints.
This is ECG machine.
Well, no, this is for the
Telemedicine.
yeah,
Telemedicine. Okay.
telemetry.
Telemetry.
Telemetry. And this for the M series for the general wards.
Yeah.
M series.
M12.
Yeah, M series.
I have seen this before.
And this is for ICU.
This is I have this is also a display of.
Yeah, they can show you the informations here. It's the pumps. Actually, this way is for the fluid balance. Fluid balance.
Fluid balance.
You can see we connect the patient monitor with the urine machine, urine device, urine monitor, and for the infusion pumps, and then you can know how much you give to the patient and how much it give out.
Yeah, all the monitoring have been done on this monitor.
Yeah. And
Hemodialysis.
Here's the hemodialysis. We have 1 bomb, 2 pumps, and 3 pumps. 3 pumps. Actually, we are the only company in China to make the machines and the consumables.
Okay.
Yeah, we are the only company.
I guess this is called dialyzer, right?
Yeah. You can see all the filters here.
Dialyzer. You have dialyzers. You have
We have
bicarbonate solutions also, I guess.
Yeah. We have this
Bicarbonate
and the
solution.
powders and the liquid, all we are the only
Everything
one.
you are manufacturing itself.
Yeah. We
Yeah.
working myself. We have like 15 different bench companies in
These
China.
are all different dialyzers
Yeah.
having different specifications.
And this is the PD. The PD I think is a different PD 600. Your patients can use it at home.
At home
Yeah.
for home care.
It has a very easy read guide. You can easy use it at home.
And this is the home care
Yeah,
product.
this is some home care.
Fetal Dopplers and handheld pulse oximeter,
yeah,
fingertip pulse oximeter.
the feet for the fingers.
Yeah.
And for the fetal, and this is the M 800 series. I think you know it. You know that?
No, I haven't seen this before.
Yeah, this is for it's easy to
SPO2.
for the
Handheld SPO2 monitor.
yeah SPO2 and like the
CO2 and then NIBP.
NIBP is
Okay.
have a different choice you can have.
Okay.
Different
Okay.
choices.
So that's it from here.
This part we haven't finished. We want to make our different components here, and it can be easy to have to check.
Okay. Okay. That's all.
Yeah.
Hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Francis.